Trisha designs the logo shown for one of her clients. She needs to know all the missing dimensions and angle measures of the logo. 3. Model with mathematics. Use an inverse trig function to find the measure of angle Q. 4. Describe 2 ways to find the measure of angle R without finding the length of the hypotenuse. Find the angle measure using both methods. 5. Describe 2 ways to find the length of the hypotenuse. Find the length using both methods. For this section, I'm going to go ahead and give you 7 minutes to work through question number 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and pause your video now. The first thing I did to find the measure of angle Q was I used the tangent inverse function. And remember, it is opposite over adjacent. So that was 63.1 degrees. There were 2 ways I could find angle R based on what I knew. The first way was the triangle sum theorem. If I know that angle Q is 63.1, and I know that angle S is 90 degrees, well, angle R must equal something that whenever I add those up, I'm going to get 180. So that missing angle must be 26.9 degrees. The other way I could have done this was done the inverse trig function. I could have set it up very similar to the way I did number 3, but this time whenever I set it up and I did the inverse of tangent, I did 33 because that's opposite of angle R over 65, which still gave me 26.9 degrees. Knowing 2 lengths of our sides, I can find the third side. I could do the trig function because I also know an angle measure. And I could have done the sine of 63.1 equals opposite, which is 65 over the hypotenuse, which I'm looking for. Whenever I work through the math there and solve for h, I get h equals to 72.9 millimeters. The other way we could have done it was Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is that hypotenuse that we're looking for. And again, whenever I work through the math, I get 72.9. On to the next lesson.